guard on it, because if you use the guard, it gets in your way when you're trying to run a piece of wood across it. You just have to keep your fingers away from the #1 machine that takes people's fingers off. 85% of all fingers are lost on this machine in woodworking accidents. So obviously you have to keep that in mind every time you turn it on. Now what it's doing is basically taking about a 1/16 of an inch off every pass. I am the pressure bars. When I run this piece through, I have to push it down, hold it down onto the table. If I don't hold it on the table, I'm not going to get a clean cut. I always know when the knives are dull because the piece of wood starts fighting me. And if it's doing that on a piece of pine, obviously it's time to take the knives out and sharpen them. This can handle 6 knives, but there's only 3 on here. Now this is a piece of black walnut, and I ran it through here. It chipped it out a little bit, so that's another sign showing me that basically these knives might be time to take them out and sharpen them up if it starts chipping the wood out. But then again, this is a strange piece of wood, the way it was cut from the tree. It's not the normal way of cutting. It's like a diagonal cut. Some of these other pieces right here, this is spalted maple, and this sycamore that turned into spalted maple. And I was going to make this into firewood, but I'm doing a flea market. And at the flea market, people like this stuff. So for 10, 12 bucks, they can carry this home and dream about their own woodworking experiences.